Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question we have June 2018. You can see here a 33 variant and question number 10. And topic is A levels vectors. What the point A and B have a position vectors is this and that. Whenever the position vector comes, it means it is starting from observer or O, we can say. So this representing by OA. So I'm writing here OA. Two style of writing 2i plus j plus 3k, or you can write this style. This is called column format, 2 up 1 and 3, because no number beside of j, so 1. So this is a time saving. I always use this one. And position vector of b is this, so I'm writing here OB, which is 411. So 411. I think it's clear. The line L has this equation. So line is given by him is this one. I will write this line format, line L this format. So R is equals to 4, 6, and 0, because no Z is there, no K is there. Mu times 2, 1, 2 minus 2. I believe line is very clear. Read the statement, please. Further, he's saying, show that line does not intersect the line AB. So actually, we have two lines here. Okay, one line we have given, line L, and one line we have to make it. And we have to check it, do they intersect or not. So let's start first equation of line, vector equation of line AB. So I'm writing here vector equation of line AB is my target. So let's start, students. First of all, there are two ways we have. R is equals to, because there's a line, it lies A and B. So if my wish to start from A, I will write here OA, then I must write lambda AB, because I have I must start this vector from A. So this is always same. Second option, if I start from B, so R is equal to OB, then I will not go for AB, then I will go for BA. So then I write here lambda times 2 BA. So let me tell you, this is a B starting. So use this or that, both are okay, but I will use first one, sorry. So I'm erasing this one, okay. Now this OA come from here. I think you're understanding what I am saying. And lambda, and what is AB? AB, all of you familiar, what to find AB? AB vector is always equal to OB minus OA. So OB is, we have here down and OA here. So if I write it 411 and OA I'm writing 213. So if we subtract 4 minus 2 is 2. So I am writing directly here. I'm not writing down. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And I believe this point is very clear. So 1 minus 1, I get 0. So clear. 1 minus 3, I get negative 2. I'm writing it now here. Let me recheck. 4 minus 2, 1, okay, and this clear. So now I got a 2. Line L is here and line AB is here. So alhamdulillah, line L and line B, I have two lines. Students, if I want to confirm, do they intersect or not? He said that. Sorry, they have intersection. Okay. So what is method, students? So this is a line AB and line L. I just show the concept. Line L and line AB. So this is intersecting at point P, example. So what is technique, students? I will convert both standard forms of equations. What is standard form? I'm going to show you of lines. Okay, both lines I will find. How I can find? Have a look, please. This is IJK. This is IJK. If I make a combined one vector is called standard form. Look, line L I am writing here. So how to write line L? Have a look. So 4 from here and mu into 1. So mu and 4. So 4 plus mu. And 2 mu and 6. So 6 plus 2 mu. And 0 from here and negative 2 mu from here. So negative 2 mu. This is the standard form of line L. Now I'm finding standard form of line AB. So 2 from here and 2 lambda from here. I believe you're understanding. 1 from here, a lambda into 0, I get only 1. And 3 from here and minus 2 lambda. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, clear. Now I want to explain one more idea. Whenever I convert standard form, this point is a line L. It represents million, trillion points lie on the line. So we can say that this representing P also. And this is a line AB represent million trillion points on the line. So this can represent also P, okay? And because they are common points, so they are equal to each other. I'm writing here as they intersect, as they intersect. So naturally R is equals to R. So I'm going to make them equation equals to each other. So this part equal to that, I'm going to write now here. 4 plus mu equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. I believe you understood. Now this and this equal to each other. 6 plus 2 mu is equals to 1. Now third equation. So negative 2 mu is equal to 3 minus 2 lambda. Hold on, I got a three equations. Okay, I just rearranged them all three. You can see this one very clear. Luckily this will give you directly answer. Not always it happens, but anyway, 6 goes there. I got negative 5 over 2. Okay, and I recheck. I think so, clear, right? So what is this rearrangement? I bring lambda there. So mu minus 2 lambda, 4 goes there, equals to negative 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. So this is, I bring lambda on this side. So I can write here negative 2 mu plus 2 lambda is equals to 3. So I have three equations, students, always. Okay, I, J, and K. All right. I will use any two from here. I can use 1, 2. I can use 1, 3. I can use 2, 3. It is my wish. Okay, students. Let's try. I'm using 1, 2. Okay, so let's start. I'm using 1, 2. How to use 1, 2 and get both values? Luckily, 2 I got it mu, and this 2 value, put mu value minus 5 over 2 in 1. In 1. So in 1. So I repeat my words, in 1. I'm writing here in 1. So actually what I'm using 1, 2 actually. Okay, so this value is going here. So negative 5 over 2, negative 2 lambda equal to negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 lambda equal to negative 2 plus 5 over 2. So 2 to the 4, and I got a half. And this 2 goes down, lambda becomes negative 104. I got mu value, I got lambda value. Now this is called check. This is checking will help us our lines are intersecting or not. So student, I used 1 and 2. I did not touch third equation, which I did not touch. Take that equation. So equation number 3, I will try. Minus 2 mu plus 2 lambda equal to 3. I will plug in both lambda mu value here. If left right side will match, it means they intersect. If they don't match, they don't intersect. So let's try. This value coming here. Negative 2, negative 5 by 2. This lambda come from here. Negative 1 over 4. Maybe some mistake, maybe I think so. It is must be cancelled. Anyway, come back. So this is coming with us. Hold on, let me check once again. It is coming 10. And this is coming with us negative half. Yeah, equal to 3, but it's not equal. But he said that show. Oh yeah, exactly. Sorry for that. He said don't intersect. It means they are not equal, and they are not equal. 2 times are 20 and 19 by 2, which is not equal to 3. So we can say yes, they don't intersect. Don't intersect. Students, actually if they come equals to each other, so they will intersect. First I assumed, let's say, they are intersecting, but later on I realized that they don't intersect because they are not equal to each other. I believe you got a point. So first 5 marks is clear. Let's go for part number 2. Let's start. P point with the parameters T. Very interesting. The point P with the parameters T, okay, lies on line L. Very interesting. Let me elaborate what is this meaning actually. Okay, line L. First of all, I bring line L down. Line L I bring down. This is a line L. Copy and paste. So this is a line L. All of you know it. What I've done. So now I repeat again. He said point P on the actually, there's a line L. Imagine line L. Okay, or I can say line L like this. Okay. All right. He said that there is with a parameter T, like T lies on it. Okay. So T lies on it such that angle PAB is 120. Okay, that I talk later. What a diagram I make it. First of all, okay, I show you what I'm thinking about it. Let me show you, because you know, student, it is very clear they are not intersecting. If they are not intersecting, 100% they are parallel. Look, I show you. Look, I show you. Inshallah, I believe you will understand the diagram. If they are not parallel, they will 100% intersect. But they are not intersecting 100%. They are parallel. Line P point lies on line L. Okay, AB is here. So let's start, students. AB, and A is here and B is here. Let's say A is here, B is here, and P I take somewhere here. Why I take here only? Because if I join P with A, students, P with A, so you can see that P angle A, PAB, see, PAB, I repeat, PAB. So this angle is 100% clear, 120. If I make P here, this angle will be smaller than 120. That is why I shifted P here somewhere. So I think you got the point. Okay, now I read again, first again. Sorry. Point P on the parameters T lies on L such that angle T is this one. So show that this connection, I have to prove it and find the position vector of T. P, okay. So let's see, students, I just say that, for example, this is a mu we have here, students, okay. What I'm going to do, actually, you know, I give an example to you. Just please try to understand. If this is a line L, this is line L. Let's say I plug in 1 in the place of mu. Okay, student, what answer? 4 in close bracket 4 plus 1 5. So this point is x is 5. So 6 plus 2 8. So this is 8. And 0 minus 2, this is minus 2. So this is a 1 point. I mean, I plug in 1, I got this point. Okay, student, let's see, I plug in not 1, I plug in here 2. Now let's see what answer comes. So 4 and 2 ones are 2, so 6. Maybe I reach here, x is 6. 2 to the 4 plus 6, 10. So this is a 10. And this is negative 4, I got negative 4. So I reach another point. So actually, when I plug in different numbers of mu, for example, look students, I plug in 1, I reach here. I plug in 2, I reach here. I plug in 3, maybe I reach here. So he's saying if you plug in T, you reach on P. I repeat my words. He say if you use T, you reach P. So it means understood that if I say that for P coordinates, I'm writing statement here for P coordinates. So what I will do, students, is a very clear idea. I will replace here T, he said. So it turned to be 460 plus T times 2, 1 to negative 2. I'm not putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I'm putting T because he said. Okay, now if I simplify it, standard form, I convert standard form. So what I get 4 from here and I got t. So this is a 4 plus t and 4 and this 2t. So 6 plus 2t I get from here and 0 and negative 2t, this I negative 2t I get from here. So student, this is representing because there are million trillion points lie on it. But when he said t, so when I put t, it give me exactly p coordinate. So I'm not writing r now, student. I'm writing here op. Why, you can ask me why write op, sir? Because I plug in a special number t and I reach p. So I got this r will convert it to a special number, that is the p. So this is the p coordinates. I think the idea is very clear now. Okay, a coordinate we have, b coordinate we have all 3 points. And now what is my target to get this one? So Mabruk, half job is done. Now student, you remember dot product formula? If you don't remember, I just quickly revise. So whenever two vectors are there, for example, these two vectors, okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this angle I'm looking for. So I will go BC vector, I will go BA vector. And how to write the vector dot product formula? BC dot BA equal to BC magnitude, BA magnitude into cos of angle. This is a dot product formula which I use here. Same story if I apply now in the current situation, okay, in the current situation. So let's see now. What situation I have, I show you. This middle letter is A, this letter is B, this is vector AB, and this letter is P, Okay, this angle is 120, and for your knowledge, this is called vector AB, and this vector is called vector AP. Okay, so what is a dot product formula will apply here? So this is a starting point A to reach B. So how to write AB vector dot? How to read this student? Don't say PA, wrong. I have to say AP. So AP vector equal to AB vector's magnitude into AP vector's magnitude into angle between them, which is theta, okay, which I can say 120. So let's start. This is my plan to continue. Inshallah, I will get this link. Okay. So let's try. But before to start, do we have AB? Oh, yes, we have, I think. Yes, we have. Wait a minute. Here we have AB. You see? This we have AB. I think this AB we found it. This found AB. So 2, 0, minus 2. 2, 0, minus 2. AB I have already. I'm writing here. 2, 0, minus 2. Okay. All right. Do we have a AB? We have it. Do we have a AP? No, no, no. So let's try to find AP. So this vector, I am just copying it here and I'm going to plug in here. So first of all, I just bring it a little bit down because I will use it later on. So students, so I'm bringing it here and I'm looking for AP vector. How to get AP, student? Not a hard job for us. AP is that. What is rule? OP minus OA. OP minus OA. Where is OP, student? OP is this. So 4 plus T, 6 plus 2T, negative 2T. And where is OA, student? Let me pick from the top. OA is this, 213, 213, 213. Okay, now 4 minus 2, I got 2 and T as it is. So 2 plus T. Okay, 6 minus 1 is a 5 and 5 plus 2T. And this minus, I get a negative 3, negative 2T. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, AP, I got it. Now get ready, students. Now I have a job number 1, AP dot AB. So where is AP? This. Where is AB? This. I will find dot product. Job number 1. Magnitude of AB, magnitude of AB I will get from here. Magnitude of AB I will get from here and then process. So I will count this equation number 1, but I will do step by step. So let's start. First I solve this. AP dot AB. Where is AB, student? AB is this. So I'm writing 2, 0, negative 2. Dot. Where is AP? This is AP. So 2 plus T and 5 plus 2T. This is a really very lengthy working. Anyway, so 2 multiply with that because due to dot product, what is the basic criteria? I with I. So 4 plus 2T. J with J. So we got a 0. K with a K. Or we got a plus 6 and plus 4T. So this is my answer for the, okay, 6 plus 4, 10. So I got a 10 and this I got a 60. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, my one job is over. So means left job is done. Now let's talk about magnitude of AB and this. So this magnitude is not a hard job, student. Let's find AB magnitude. It's a piece of cake for us. So square up all values and add them. 2 square plus 0 square plus minus 2 square. And I got 4 plus 4, 8 or 2 root 2, same thing. So now there's a toughest task is going to come now. The magnitude of this, the way I found AB magnitude, square up each value and add them in the root, same value I will go for it. This is a little bit tough task, get ready for it, tough task. So square of this, I can say 2 plus t whole square. Square of next value, 5 plus 2t whole square. And third, negative 3, negative 2t whole square. A tough task is going to come. That is why given many pages. Come back. Okay. So square, squaring identity, maybe you know or not. I just show once. Next time I'll not show. If I have two terms, okay, first term square in the beginning, second term square at the end, in the middle, 2 into first term into second term. So this 2 will come here and here, and this t will come here and here. So 4 and plus 4t and here t square. So I'm saving my time. Let's start. Square of this is 4, square of this is t square. Okay, now 2 formula 2 into 2, 4 into t. So I get a 4t. Even 6 is 4t matching. So let's same process apply here. Square of first term is 25. Square of second term is 4t to power 2 because square of 2 is square of t. I think clear. In the middle, 2 into first term into second term. First term is 5, second term is 2t, 10 to the 20. So 20t I got it. So I believe you're understanding what is going on. So here, do you know, students, if both signs are positive, if both signs are negative, they deal the same. So 3 square is 9 in the beginning, and square of this 42 power 2 at the end, and in the middle 2 and 2, and the first term is 3 and second term is 2. They don't care about sign. So 6 to the 12. So I got 12t. I think idea is very, very clear to you. So 2 to the 4, 4, 3 the 12. Correct. Now, student, let me finalize it. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9t square. 12, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 20, 36t. Now, student 25, okay, let's discuss this one. 25 plus 4, we got 29, 29 plus 9, I get a 38. So, Mabruk, student, this is a tough task. We have done it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now, student, I'm going to plug in my equation, which is the most important equation. I label it in a blue, let me label in blue color so you can understand same time. This equation I'm looking for. Okay, in blue color, even I copy paste and make it down. Copy and I paste here. And I say even put in 1. All values. Okay, students, so get ready. So this is a 1. Okay, so let's start. So job number 1, AP.AB. I have answer? Yes, I have. Where is that answer? This one. 10 plus 60. Done. Magnitude of AB, yes, I have it. Yes, I have it. 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Magnitude of AP, we have it. Yes, we have it now. So this value I'll copy. I'm copying here as it is. 90 square plus 36t and plus 38. And cos 120 giving you negative half. You can check in calculator. When you type cos 120 in degree mode, it gives you negative half. So make sure. So now students, this 2 and this 2 will automatically cancel out. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Okay, student, 10 plus 60 is equals to this negative. We can write outside negative root 2 into root of the whole thing. And get ready for next class, algebra, and my target achieve, inshallah. How to remove the root? Squaring both sides. When squaring both sides, another square come left side, 10 plus 60. Square of this and square of negative become positive. Square of root give you 2 only. And square of this root will finish automatically. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you understood what is going on. Okay, how to expand square of 10, 100. Square of this one is 36t, 2 power 2. And 2 into first term into second term, you got a 60 to the 120. So I got a 120t. Okay, this is done. So I have done in one step only. Equals to 2 9s are 18, 18t to power 2, 2 we got a 72t, and I got it here, 2 at a 16 and 76. Now student, this will, okay, better to bring this here. Out of 36, 18 gone. I got 18t to power 2. Out of 120, 72 gone. Let me check. Out of 10, 2 gone. I got a 8. Out of 11, you got a 4. So 48. So plus 48t. Okay, this subtract from here. Out of 176 gone. So 4, and out of 9, we got a 24. But student, what is my target? Let me check my target. Target is 3 to 40 square plus 80 plus 4 equal to 0. I'll copy paste from here. I cut from here better. So I bring it here. So see, student, this is my target. So student, it is not matching. This is not matching. What to do? Divide by 6. So when divide by 6 here, I get a 3. 6 4s are 40. 6 8s are 48. It's matching. So 6 4 are 24. Mabruk. So I have done. So proving is done. So prove. So target is achieved. This is a really tough task and not easy task. I revise once again this formula helping us that we have a dot product, okay, and we have a magnitude of both vectors, and then this 3 process number 1, process number 2, and process number 3, and I found separately, and then I plug in equation number 1. But he said no, find the position vector of p, sorry, I need to find t values. But how to get t values, students? So very simple. I will go for here factorization. 4 3s are 12 and 6 to the 12. So factorization or quadratic formula. So 3t common, I got t plus 2, and I got 2 common, t plus 2 is equal to 0. I got t plus 2. There's another important point is coming, and then question will finish. I got two answers, negative 2, and I got this answer, negative 2 by 3. Now, very interesting point is coming. Both are negative. Which we will take it? He said position vector, not vectors. It means the one answer is okay and one is not okay. You know, this 120 will help us. You remember, student, I call those ideas back. If you remember, so I explain again, the concept is that whenever AB dot with the AC, if answer becomes positive, so angle is less than 90 degree. If AB dot AC is negative, then angle is more than 90 degree. Then if AB dot AC is equal to 0, then an angle is short 90 degree. But for your knowledge, it is a 120. So it means it will come with only if a dot product is negative. It means if dot product is negative, then I get 120. Where is the dot product, student? Dot product is here. This dot product. So if this value is negative, then it goes. So it means 10 plus 60 will decide. 10 plus 60 will decide. So I will take from here 10 plus 60. 10 plus 60. 10 plus 60. 10 plus 60. This is what, student? Hold on. Well, no, wait a minute. AB dot AP. AB dot AP. I will plug in this minus 2 here. Let's see what answer comes. 10 plus 6 times 2, negative 2, negative 12. I got negative answer. And negative answer means more than 90 degree. So this is my requirement, okay? And if I check the other one, students, so AB dot AP. So if I 10 plus 60, if I plug in this value here, so let's try to plug in this one. Minus 2 by 3, 3 to the 6. So I got a 4, 10 minus 4, I got a 6. This is positive. This I don't need because this will give you less than 90 degree. And according situation in diagram, you can understand this angle is more than 90 degrees. So my t value is coming negative 2, which I will plug in where, student, because I'm looking for p coordinate. So this condition I will take from here and copy from here, and I will use it here. And I have a space issue anyway. I use it here. And student, this 2, negative 2, this negative 2 will come here. When I put negative 2 here, I will get what, student? I get 2. I'm writing direct answer. If I plug in negative 2 here, I got negative 4. Again, I get 2. Okay. If I plug in minus 2 here, and I get negative, negative, positive, and positive 4 is coming. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is my final answer. And you observe a lot of technicalities of this question. That's really toughest part of the vectors, and which we have done, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And question is